Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are as always your hosts Arne and Carlos.
And we are here today to wish you a Happy New Year. We want to thank you all for your love and your support throughout this year. It's been quite a year, Arne.
It's been quite a year.
Yes, we've been traveling a lot.
We've been redecorating the kitchen. We have had a lot of trips to Sweden.
Yep.
Because of your mother.
Yeah.
And next year will be just a lot of fun.
Yes, we are looking forward to developing our channel further, and we can't wait to do all the fun things that we usually do, tutorials, sit in it for a bit, and all the special moments that we will share with you.
So see you next year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, and thank you so much for everything. Bye.